So I haven't heard Howard Stern talking about baby wipes in a while, although baby wipes could come in handy. But they're expensive, and in many cases, they can cause issues with plumbing. So here is a video to share something with you that is very cost effective and works well, whether you're at home or at work. And I've been doing this at work for a while, and it works great because after a while, that dry toilet paper becomes more to me of a nuisance, and it can become irritating, and having some kind of moist toilet is the way to go. So I hope you can appreciate this video because it really is a helpful tip, and I'm glad I decided to do it. So you get your toilet paper, you dip it in a cup of water, maybe get a cup of warm water, dip it in, and you're good to go. It's just like having baby wipes, probably healthier and certainly better for the plumbing. Doesn't cost you any money. So try it out. Works great. And Howard Stern, if you ever watch this, you don't need baby wipes. And you don't have to be embarrassed. Just have a cup of water, your toilet paper, and you'll be perfectly happy. All right, everybody, have a healthy day. Happy wiping.